Hello everyone, in this video, we'll be creating a basic TikTok-like app using HTML, Bootstrap, and jQuery. TikTok is a popular social media app that allows users to create and share short videos with others. We'll create a simplified version of this app that includes a sample video and a video feed to explore other videos. Now I will type in ChatGPT search bar for that, and let's see that ChatGPT can build it. This will take some time to analyze my text and then will prompt us code. As you can see, this generated whole code for us, which include HTML, CSS, Bootstrap framework, also jQuery. jQuery is JavaScript library. ChatGPT have used Bootstrap classes to create a responsive layout for our TikTok-like app. ChatGPT have also included a sample video that can be played using the video tag in HTML. Now we will go to the right corner of that block and copy all the code from here. Set up the HTML file. First, we'll create an HTML file and include the necessary libraries, such as Bootstrap and jQuery. We'll also add a container, row, and columns to create a responsive layout for our app. Add the sample video. Next, ChatGPT add a sample video using the HTML video tag. We'll also create a card using Bootstrap to display the video with a title and a description. Add the video feed. Then, ChatGPT create another column to display the video feed. We'll use the same card format to display multiple videos with their titles and descriptions. Add interactivity. To make our app more interactive, we'll use jQuery to add some functionalities such as playing and pausing the video, showing and hiding the video feed, and displaying more videos when the user scrolls down. Conclusion. That's it. ChatGPT created a basic TikTok-like app using HTML, Bootstrap, and jQuery. Of course, this is just a simplified version. We can more features by just ask ChatGPT about that. Now I will check his responses for smartphones. I will select Inspect Element tool. Here I will select iPhone 12 or 13. You can see the result after this. If you like my video, like, subscribe and share it.